First of all, let's show you some of the shotguns we have. Basically a Norinco double barrel coach. It's 12 gauge. See the mule ears? Yeah. Then we got a copy of 1897. That's the Cimarron copy. Then we got a 916A. Smith & Wesson 12 gauge. Yeah, it has the extended tube. Mossberg 590 heat shield. There's ghost sights. Speed feed stock. My 930 SPX. It's got sight cell on the opposite side. Charging handle. It's got those really cool ghost sights. It's even got a shell holder on the back stock. Pistol grip stock. Got a 15 shot. This is called a strap, because it really is not the most tactical of slings. Weighs about frickin' 5 pounds, it feels like. Then my Mossberg 500A. It's 18.5 inch barrel. Got the side saddle on the other side. It's got that cool bird's head grip. Look at that. I need to get some more light in here. But anyway, I got another 590 on its way as a parts kit that I'm going to buy a Mossberg 500A receiver off Gunbroker and do it all up as a full-on 590. I don't know, I'm thinking about getting like that stainless Duracoat, doing it all up. Give me some input.